We're a primary trust. We run primary schools, 32 of them as it currently stands. We create a context for people to be absolutely fantastic. That context includes learning environment, it includes creating a sense of order and a sense of calm around the place. It also includes the digital learning that we do. We exist just simply to make learning fantastic for kids.
We were looking for somebody to partner with all our Apple needs, and JTRS were recommended. Off the back of that, it's grown and grown and grown.
We've been working with Enquire Learning Trust for about 6 or 7 years now. It's not just about providing the devices or the hardware, we provide the full solution. So that is in terms of any sort of technical support, technical setups. We offer training and professional learning programs, and it really is a partnership rather than just a supplier.
We chose Apple mainly for the quality of the device. We knew that actually we could rely on the equipment to support our teaching and learning.
We used to have sets of 30 laptops that you needed to get going running sort of 3 hours before, and now with an iPad you pick it up, it's instant and they can flick through things, really quickly.
The tech in our schools is really well used. Teachers, leaders, but also children, parents. We put powerful technology in their hands and we give them powerful purposes in which to use it and apply it to their learning.
Enquire approached us again just in relation to their mobile device management. So we recommended Jamf as a solution for them.
It was an opportunity to us to kind of bring everything into one place and to really replace an ageing network and an ageing system with something a bit modern and more central.
We were looking at over 6,500 devices that needed migrating. So it was really important to make sure that that project was planned and managed thoroughly all the way through. We did that over a period of about 9 months, 80 days on site across the 30 academies that they had in place at the time. The Trust gave us a blueprint of what they wanted each device to have in terms of the apps and the restrictions. We then set this up within the Jamf console for them, and then we actually went out and did the migration across all the schools as well.
It didn't have any negative impact on the day-to-day running of the school, which were key for us.
The Trust were really happy. We made sure that we kept them informed every step of the way. We had monthly updates with them at trust level to say this is where we're up to. With each individual school we completed a handover, we showed them the new features of the Jamf console and what can be done with that.
One of the biggest elements is the time saving, in all honesty. If we had a change to make on every iPad that didn't have MDM, it would mean, first of all, driving to 32 different schools, then doing iPads one by one or trolley by trolley. If we've got a change to make now, it's 5 minutes at a click of a button. But that's just the usability element of it. You've then got the audit tracking, the safeguarding element, so the MDM is huge for us.
Our school set in Stockton-on-Tees. We have 75% pupil premium children, but we are working to give our children the maximum opportunity we can get for them to be lifelong successful learners. We wanted to bridge the gap between those schools where children are from privileged backgrounds, and we thought technology is the best way to bridge that gap.
Since we've used one-to-one iPads, children engagement has improved, and as a result of that, their performance and their attainment of what they're learning has improved as well. It's transformed the way we teach and learn here at Hardwick Green.
I think the thing that excites us the most is where it could go. We started off on a journey which was just suppliers with iPads, and now it's integral to our teaching and learning. For any other multi-academy trusts or schools that are looking at working with JTRS, I'd recommend they just do that. We know that whatever work they do is to the level of quality that we would expect as a trust.
They've been really part of our journey, and I think they've been an absolute strength, a tower for us to be able to move like we do and offer the curriculum that we do.